So this is part 2 of page 328. We're going to continue at numbers 9, 10, and 11. For number 9, we have two shapes. We have a rectangular prism, and we have a rectangular pyramid. Remember, for the pyramid, we need to divide by 3. So let's take a look. To find the volume of the pyramid, we take the area of the base, so that would be 10 times 3, times the height of 4, and then divide by 3, and we get a grand total, if you help me with your calculators, of 53.3. That's just the volume of the pyramid on top. Okay. Now we're going to take a look at the rectangular prism. Remember, to find volume, it's area of the base times the height. So we do 10 times 4 for length times width, times, or area of the base, times the height, which is 3. And that gives us a total of 120. And to find the total volume, we add the two separate volumes together, and we get a grand total of 173.3 feet cubed. Are there any questions? For number 10, in this composite shape, we will be subtracting the cylinder from the triangular prism. So we first find the total volume of the entire shape, assuming this wasn't missing. Then we find the volume of this cylinder that's going to be cut out. And our third step is to subtract the two volumes from one another. So here we go. To find the area of the base is the triangle, so the front and back are congruent to each other. Remember, to find area of a triangle, which is our base, we do base times height, divide by 2 by just the base itself, just the triangle. So here we go. Base times height would be 6 times 5. This 2 is pointing to the diameter, so don't confuse that as the base. Okay, this 2 is the diameter. Then we're going to divide by 2 because we have a triangle. Remember, a triangle is half of a square or a rectangle. 30 divided 2 is 15. So the area of the base is 15 feet cubed. Now, 15 feet squared. Now what we want to do is multiply area of the base times the height. The height is the difference from the front base to the back base, which is 4 units or 4 feet. So 15 times 4 is 60 feet cubed. Are there any questions? No. For step 2, we're going to find volume of the cylinder. And again, the formula is area of the base times the height. For a circle, to find area, the formula is pi times radius squared. So we're going to take 3.14 times the radius of 1, because the radius is half the diameter. We get area of the base is 314. So area of the base times the height. The height is how tall the cylinder is. Well, the cylinder is 4 feet tall because it's the same distance from one another. So we take 314 times 4 and we get 1256. To find the volume that is remaining, we're going to take 60 and subtract 12.6. I took 1256 and rounded it to the nearest tens place. So I get 12.6 and I get 47.4 feet cubed. Are there any questions? Number 11, we have a cone and we have a pyramid. And this is also another subtraction problem. We have the entire pyramid, and then we're going to take out a cone. So what we're going to do is find the volume of the pyramid first, then find the volume of the cone, and subtract the two volumes from one another. So the volume of a pyramid is area of the base times the height divided by 3. So I'm going to look at area of the base. The base is a square, 9 by 9. This 6 represents the diameter, so please don't confuse the 6 with the 9. So area of the base is 81. Find total volume. We take area of the base times the height of the pyramid. The pyramid is 8 meters tall. And then we divide by 3. So if you help me with your calculators, 81 times 8 is 648. Divide by 3, we get 216. That is the volume of the entire pyramid. Next, we're going to take a look at the cone. The volume is area of the base times the height divided by 3. So if we take a look at the base of a cone, it's round. The diameter is 6, so the radius is 3. We're going to use pi times 3 squared, or 3.14 times 9. And if you help me with your calculators, we get 28.26. Now we're going to take the area of the base, 2826, times it by the height. How tall is the cone? I hope you're all saying 8. Divide by 3. If you help me with your calculators, we should get a final volume for the cone of 75.36, or rounded to the tens place, 75.4. Now what we'd like to do is find the volume of what is remaining if we carve out the cone from the pyramid. And we get a final answer after we subtract the two volumes of 140.6 meters cubed. Are there any questions? Thank you. Have a great day.